Hello, I'm Dr. Aloka Hedau. I'm a pediatric ophthalmologist and a squint surgeon at Dr. Aloka's Eye Care. Today's topic is lazy eye or amblyopia. What is lazy eye? Lazy eye is when the images of the eye are not recognized by the brain. Now, for understanding this, let us first understand how our eyes work. When our eyes focus at a particular image, the image is reflected on the back part of the eye, which is known as the retina. Now from here, optic pathways take the image to the back part of the brain, that is known as the occipital brain, and there these images are processed with a very complex neural system, and therefore what we see is what the brain perceives from its visual memory. Now imagine if the rays don't reflect from one eye, the brain stops recognizing the images so that it sees clear and single with the functioning eye. This is known as lazy eye. When our brain does not recognize image from one eye for its own benefit to see clearly is when the eye becomes lazy, or in scientific terms known as amblyopia. Now, why does amblyopia occur? Amblyopia can be due to multiple reasons. Commonest reasons are if one eye has a large refractive error or glass number compared to the other eye. Then the other eye, which is the better eye, becomes the dominant eye, and this one becomes the lazy eye. Other reasons can be if there is an opacity in the visual pathway, which means if there is a corneal scar, or if there is a cataract, or if there is a retinal issue or an optic nerve damage, all this can cause visual images from that eyes to be blocked, causing amblyopia. Third common reason is squint. If the eye is squinting outside or inside, images from that eye is not captured by the brain, and this causes lazy eye. Now let's understand that lazy eye occurs in the first 8 years of life. First 8 years are known as age of critical visual development. Anything going wrong during these years can cause vision loss, which will last for life. So lazy eye treatment has to be done early, and therefore the problems have to be detected and solved earlier than 8 years of age. This will prevent needless blindness from happening. Now, how do we treat lazy eye? First and foremost, the ophthalmologist will find out if there is any glass powers in the eye. Any child having glass numbers, glasses should be the first step of treatment in lazy eye. The other steps are doing some kind of exercises, vision therapy, or occlusion therapy. Now, what is occlusion therapy? Suppose my right eye is lazy and my left eye is dominant, then this is an eye patch which will be put over the dominant eye, that is the good eye, so that your non-dominant eye or the lazy eye will start functioning more. Now, this is difficult to do for kids, but it is the gold standard treatment for amblyopia. Children are usually prescribed hours of patching depending on the severity of the amblyopia. Usual dosage is 2 hours to 8 hours of patching. Now during patching, the child should be left free to do all activities with the lazy eye, so that activities like drawing, puzzle making, coloring, reading, near activities, that stimulates the vision even more. Cycling, going out to play, doing school activities, going on a hike, everything with the lazy eye if done, the vision from the lazy eye is recognized by the brain better, and that will itself help us gain vision in the lazy eye. If the child has been prescribed glasses, then after putting the patch, make sure that the child is also wearing the glasses while doing the occlusion therapy. Sometimes we also prescribe contact lenses, which helps enhance vision in case of severe asymmetry between two eyes. In worst cases, we also have option of vision therapy, which is a computer game based therapy program which stimulates the vision of the lazy eye. all this is a lot of time consuming and it requires a lot of patience from the child as well as the parent. Usually this vision therapy or any kind of occlusion therapy goes on for years together. 2 to 3 years may be required to gain improvement in vision of the lazy eye. Many a times the squint will require surgical treatment. So if the eye is got straight, it automatically starts improving the vision of the lazy eye, and post surgery we might go for occlusion therapy or vision therapy to further improve the vision of the eye. In this way, you can avoid needless blindness in your children. So make sure every child less than 8 years of age is brought for a routine eye examination every year to prevent needless blindness. Thank you.